Yeah, hi Lasse. Right, okay, this is the last one. This is number 6 that I've done here. So yeah, so basically on this one, this is a 1254 laser and board that you've given me. Okay, but it's in a 1252 chassis. So I don't know why they've done that. But yeah, you know, obviously I've serviced it. I've put a new spindle in this one as well, so it's had a new spindle as well. So I've put a spindle in a couple of these for you. So let me just start that one up for you. Yeah, so it's all working as it should be. Yeah, I mean this is probably the better one anyway. Obviously these are silly money to buy. I think about 400 quid for one of these. So yeah, that got the tracks on that one. So I'll just go up the track. Yeah, so on this one, basically, cogs cleaned, got rid of all the crap out of them, microspit checked and cleaned. The spindle motor, I've done that for you, put a new one in there. Well, it's not a new one, it's a reconditioned one, basically out of a newer part. And a new laser, put a new laser in there for you. So yeah, that, you know, I mean, this one is, you know, the better one out of all of them. So hopefully this one will last you a long time. So yeah, again, all done. So thank you very much, and that's the last of the parts there that are ready for you. So I'll drop you an email now and upload your videos. Thanks very much, lads. Really appreciate it. You have a great time in Denmark. Thank you for your business.